Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you what does blinking red light on Galaxy Ring mean. If on your Galaxy Ring there is a blinking red light in the center inside, that means that your ring is below 15%, so you'll need to charge it. And if it's not blinking and green lights on the sides are blinking, that means that it's over 15%, so you don't need to charge it yet because it functions. These yellow lights are used to measure your heart rate and other data. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.